Hey guys, so the Umidigi A15 Pro 5G is coming very soon. Majority of its top features has been leaked and we'll explore the features in this video. Now this device is not as impressive as the A15 Ultra. The Ultra is going to be a flagship smartphone. It is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus processor. But for now, we do not know when the A15 Ultra is coming, but very soon, I believe, maybe in 2024, the A15 Ultra would be released. Anyway, so in this video, let's explore the top features of the A15 Pro 5G. So the A15 Pro 5G has a thickness of 8.1 millimeters and it weighs 197 grams. It has a beautiful flat frame design with a camera module at the rear that contains 3 cameras and 2 flash. The cameras are arranged similarly to that of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The device has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED hole punch display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The aspect ratio is 20:9. This device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Unfortunately, you cannot expand the device's internal storage because it doesn't support a micro SD card, but the RAM can be virtually expanded. In the camera department, like I mentioned earlier, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP primary sensor with f1.89 aperture, 50MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and 8MP macro camera with f2.0 aperture. Very nice camera setup in my opinion. The front facing camera is 32MP. The battery capacity of this device is 5000 mAh and it supports 66 watts fast charging. So other features of the device includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It is embedded on the device's power button. The device also supports face unlock. It supports NFC. Sensors includes gyroscope. I've already mentioned the fingerprint sensor. We have the ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, IR blaster. The device also features Bluetooth 5.2. It supports Wi-Fi 6, GPS. The device runs on the Android 13 operating system, stock version of Android. It has stereo speakers, FM radio, and so on. So these are the top features of the A15 Pro 5G. I'll update you guys when we finally get to see the A15 Ultra because that's where my interest lies. What are your thoughts about this device? Feel free to share in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.